Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can blog a YouTube channel. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, go ahead, access your particular YouTube app on your mobile phone first. Now here in this section we're gonna find this kind of interface. So let's say we have a account which we would like to simply block or remove. Now what we're gonna do is tap on this three dot icon on top first and tap on this hide user from my channel. So I'll tap on this hide user, and now that user will be simply removed and I won't see any activities. Other thing that I can do is cancel this, can go back and tap on this three dot icon beside the video, below the video, and tap on this option of not interested and don't recommend channel. If I tap on don't recommend channel, the channel won't be recommended to me anymore and I won't see any content from them. Other thing is I also can choose not interested, and that will be removed as well. So those are the steps you can do right over here to block them, and you're good to go. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.